follow this activity, and so one of the team member in the group need to read out loud. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So it's okay. So who want volunteer first? Huh? Okay. So when low register love letter are presenting, you guys the other side should listen and you guys should vote to see which group is better, right? Okay. So please, where's your big love?
This will be on YouTube. Oh, screw.
Please read loud.
My sweetheart, I just want to tell you that I love you. I love you more than the editing class. I would fail it just to be with you. Just to sit next to you, touch you, hug you, and feel your heart beating. You are always with me like my editing notes, close to my heart. I remember your sweet kiss like the sweetness of gum, berry candy. Gummy berry candy. Where are you? Can you hear my voice? Come, come, and let's join our souls again forever.
Okay.
Hi.
Go ahead.
It has passed 3 days since we've last met, but it seems to me 3 years. I couldn't sleep at all last night because I saw you in my dream. Nowadays, I can't forget you anytime. You are always in my heart. Where are you now? I'm missing you so much. The world is nothing to me without you. You know, I have a big question for you. Am I beside you for all my life? Hi, baby.
Okay, so you guys think which group is lower register?
Even worse, some worse.
Which one's better?
Which one? Yeah, is lower better. Yeah.
No, better.
Like, I mean, not
Worse.
say worse.
Which
maybe.
one is worse?
Which one is worse? Yeah.
I like the baby closing.
The baby closing. Okay, so you have 5 people, so you guys can vote. Vote. Which one?
Okay,
I think
they will be
this
group
one
number
is-
1 and they will be group number 2. Who's going for group number 1? Yeah, they're 1.
Number 1. Anyone for number 2? Well, yeah.
What do, oh.
So, yeah, kind of. But at the same time, no, we celebrate new president here, so we change chocolate to donuts today. So you guys can choose please.
Which one tastes good?
All of them taste good.
Okay, well,
You wanna
You're the one who can share that.
can you guys
Okay.
present your
Thomas is gonna read a letter that he wrote for his dog.
You guys got punishment, so eat later. Okay.
Okay.
This is love letter using highlights.
I haven't had that much time to practice though.
It's okay.
My lovely lady, you are like a red rose that newly sprung in June. I'm longing for your soft touch on my skin. The lack of your presence is causing my passion to fade. I desire with great eagerness for the instant you arrive back into my lonely life. As the sun rises in a winter morning, I will love you to the end of the universe, my lovely lady. You are the only rose in my unique garden. We are meant to share the last breath of our existence together. I love you more than life itself. Always yours.
Thomas.
Give him the whole box.
I'm in love already.
Okay.
Oh.
I'll try to be a good actor. So imagine this is a movie. Dear Lisa, I hope when you read this letter, you're fine and your family is also doing well. I'm writing this simple letter to tell you how much I miss you and how much you mean to me. Now that you are gone to study abroad, I think of you all the time. And every night when I'm alone, I remember every special moment that we shared while we were together. I look forward to meeting you this Christmas, to keep alive the flame of our love. Please, do not forget our promise to be together forever, despite the distance. Love, Lizette.
It's kind of combative here, so you guys can't vote. So if this is group 1, this is group 2. Who votes for group 1?
Which one is group 1 versus
Group
group 2?
1,
one.
group 2.
Group 2.
You too? I'm
Yeah.
2.
Okay. So who is group 2?
Run.
Hey! Stop it!
Sorry. I'm 2.
Sorry, my long register of
My
stuff.
lovely baby.
So, yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
There's maple and chocolate, so you can choose.
I would say.
I cut like
Thomas,
half.
you're a genius.
I don't know.
Thomas, why you?
I was thinking about this.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect, thank you.
Everyone gets one.
Yeah.
They can love
Yeah, but they choose first.
Whatever.
Maple or chocolate. You can go. It's the same as mine. Yeah.
Okay.
And you guys got punishment, so you guys
I
go.
hope in other places you also bring candy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so at the same time, so concentrate. Yeah. So here is my conclusion after the activity and the message we have been passed in the past presentation. I want to tell you that the register, there is nothing wrong with low or high, and it really depends on the situation, when and where are you using. But when you are using in the academic way, as like you are in the conference, or also when you are doing public speak, panel discussion, and refers to when you are writing academic language writing and you are doing the business stuff in the office, you should think about the appropriateness of your language using. And also, as I just said, there is nothing right or wrong about how you use the language register. And it is okay when sometimes we use the middle register or low register. And it will be kind of weird when you are in the night in the club with friends, have party, and you are using the Shakespeare language using. So it is okay like when you're doing conversation and you are still being yourself. But just whenever you start writing or thinking or talking to the different kind of place and think about register. And I hope like in the future, like everybody has like academic writing things and talking, and when you are writing those things, just concern about what this register is, and then you write. But there's nothing wrong or nothing right. Okay, so I hope you guys like our presentation.
Yeah.
Today.